Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us today. Today topic is how to add surface in section view. Let's start. First open Civil 3D, then open profile drawing. This is a profile drawing. Select graph, then go to sample more sources, add road surface, add survey, old survey, new survey, add, apply, OK, extra lines delete, all extra line delete, select delete, not needed. This is start minimum level. I need minimum level 1580 and I need 1620 maximum. I change this level because not extra level needed. Section, sorry, elevation, use subject 1580 minimum, maximum 1620, apply, OK. Finally change the elevation 1580, check old survey, select new survey, select road alignment survey. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comments and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.